Okay, let's see how the print module is installed. Let's try to keep this ring from falling off, and then we'll tear down 6 screws like this. Okay, we'll take all the screws off, and then we can pull this one out and pull out a high pressure on our side line. There's a 1.5 screw here and we'll tear it down. Okay. We'll take off this field module and I'll put it away. We'll install our high pressure line and then we'll install it. Then we have a recycling tank on our side, and there's no steel column. If we press the 6 holes right now, let's just press the screw and install it. The screws would just tighten it. $1,240,122,880 and 1,280 are identical. 180 is different from 180,180.